Hi, my name is Richard LeBennett. I'm a worldwide product manager for ThinkPad with Lenovo, and we're here at CES 2018 to announce our all-new lineup of ThinkPad X1 products. Starting with the X1 Carbon, it's the world's lightest commercial notebook, starting at 2.49 pounds. It's featherweight, made of advanced carbon fiber material, so it's really ultra tough. The awesome thing about this product is our brand new Dolby Vision HDR display, 500 nits, 100% color gamut. Images and videos really pop off this display here. New with our ThinkPad X1 Carbon and X1 Yoga are dual far-field microphones that allow you to take a conference call from across the room. Also, it works with the new Alexa for PC, with integration into your smart home and other devices. The other really cool thing is the addition of our privacy ThinkShutter. So when you don't want to show your video, you can click off the shutter. When you want to show your video, you turn it on. The other really awesome thing about this product is the inclusion of the 8th gen Intel Core processors, packed into a very, very thin and light form factor. We've got a new yoga product here called the ThinkPad X1 Yoga. It's available in silver and black. It's got new logos as well. And lastly, we've got our X1 Tablet. This is a new design, 13-inch 3K display with an integrated pen that can support up to 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity with the tilt function as well. It's a solid keyboard, so even though you've got a detachable, you still got a ThinkPad keyboard experience. These products will be available in January. Starting price for the tablets, $1549. Starting price for your X1 Carbon is $1709. And starting price for your X1 Yoga is $1889.